Collagen rebuilding naturally for skin, bones, and joints. Collagen rebuilding naturally is not instant magic. It is a slow process that responds to daily habits. Strong tissues begin with small choices. I noticed the signs quietly. Skin felt thinner. Joints took longer to warm up. Recovery was slower than before. This was not aging fear, it was feedback. So I stopped chasing shortcuts and focused on how collagen actually forms. Clear motivation in one line: support collagen or the body struggles to repair. How collagen works in simple science. Collagen is a structural protein. The body builds it from amino acids. Vitamin C activates collagen synthesis. According to the National Institutes of Health, collagen production depends on nutrients, not supplements alone. Research in the journal Nutrients shows collagen turnover slows with age, but it responds to diet quality. What changes feel noticeable first? Skin elasticity improves gradually, not tighter overnight, but more resilient. Joint comfort improves with consistency, less stiffness during movement. Bone support improves silently. Density changes take time. Foods that support collagen rebuilding. 1. Bone broth provides glycine and proline, key collagen building blocks. 2. Eggs contain sulfur amino acids. They support connective tissue formation. 3. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C activates collagen enzymes. Without it, collagen formation slows. 4. Berries polyphenols protect existing collagen. They reduce oxidative breakdown. 5. Leafy greens provide vitamin C and antioxidants. They support tissue repair pathways. 6. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammation. This protects collagen structures. 7. Nuts and seeds. Zinc and copper support collagen cross-linking. Studies in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition link micronutrients to connective tissue strength. How fast does collagen respond? Early changes may feel quick. Structural rebuilding takes weeks to months. Biology does not rush. Important realism check. No food rebuilds collagen instantly. Progress depends on dose and consistency. Portion guidance, balanced daily intake matters more than timing. Excess protein alone does not help. Nutrient balance does. Who should be cautious? People with kidney conditions. High protein plans may not suit everyone. Possible side effects. Digestive discomfort if protein intake spikes fast. This signals the need to slow down. Practical integration tips. Add vitamin C to protein meals. Cook gently to preserve nutrients. Rotate food sources weekly. Moderation reminder: more is not better. Doctor consultation note: consult a doctor before major diet changes, especially with bone or joint conditions. How to track progress. Notice skin texture. Track joint stiffness duration. Observe recovery time after activity. Subtle improvements appear first. Closing message: collagen rebuilds with patience and support. Start with food before shortcuts. If this helped, interact naturally. Small daily inputs shape long-term strength.